Face editing. One of our basic components of the solid edit command is its face options. So I'm going to come up here and choose some of my face options. Now I'm going to just pick one here. I'm going to go extrude face. Now when we go to select a face, we want to pick directly right on the face. I'll pick right on the cyan face. You'll see that I can easily pick that face. Now we have, let me undo that, and I'm going to do this again. I'm going to go up to the extrude faces command, and this time I'm going to pick an edge. And when I pick an edge, you can see that it picks both faces on each side of the edge. Now if you wanted both faces, that's fine, but if you didn't, you can undo it. You can come down to the command line and undo it, and now it removes the selection. So let's say I picked the other edge here, and this time it picked up these two faces, and let's say I want to remove this bottom tan one. I can come down and say remove, and I can then select on that face, and then at that point I can say enter, and now I'm back to my original face editing command. So when we're dealing with faces, we want to select the face that we're interested in. If we pick too many faces, we can use the remove option or undo and reselect it, or I can use the all, and it adds all the faces of the model to the selection set. So that means everything is selected. And so once you get the selection of the faces, then you're able to do your face editing. But you need to get the proper faces selected. And I find when you go to, let's say I want to go to extrude a face, kind of try to stay away from the edges. Pick towards the center of the face if you can. That way you get the face that you want. If you tend to pick near the edges, then you can get caught grabbing two different faces, and most likely you didn't want that. But if you do want two faces, you can pick the middle of the face and pick the middle of the face, or you could pick the edge in between the two. So you have to select the faces first, and then you can do your editing task.